Hi guys, welcome to this 99p auction, no reserve, 2012 CBF 125. This is a one owner from new bike, 3,400 miles, fully HPI clear, but selling with no reserve, no warranty included. We notice the back end has got a twist in the plastic with the spring arm. Look at the alignment of the number plate to the tyre. That doesn't look spot on to us. The handlebars look very slightly twisted. It's been ridden recently. It starts up and runs nicely, as you'd expect with a Honda with 3,000 miles on it. Sounds as quiet as a mouse. It's a bit of a cliche, but you know, engine wise, it's probably a good little project or a little Dynomite for someone. The clean up all right. There's a lot of little rusty bolts and bits and pieces on there, but it's just not what we're prepared to retail or put our name to. Nice ones of these are sort of 1,500 quid. So we're just putting this out on an auction with no reserve. Delivery is free of charge, as with all of our bikes, free UK delivery. So happy bidding and good luck with the auction. Cheers.